In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant out of video memory trying to allocate a texture error on Windows. First, close Valorant and make sure it is not running in the background. Now, go to your Windows search bar at the bottom left of the screen. Click on it and type View Advanced System Settings. When it appears in the search results, click on it to open. A new window will open called System Properties. Make sure you are on the Advanced tab. Here you will see a section called Performance. Click on the Settings button under Performance. Another window will open. In this window, go to the Advanced tab. Look for the Virtual Memory section. At the bottom, click on the Change button. Now uncheck the first option that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. After that, select your C drive from the list, then select the Custom Size option. In the Initial Size box, type 1909. In the Maximum Size box, type 24576. This example is for a system with 16 GB of RAM. To calculate this for your system, take your RAM amount and multiply it by 1.5. Once done, click on Set, then click Apply, and then click OK to close all the windows. Now go back to the Windows search bar again. Type Services and open the Services app. In the Services window, scroll down and find the service called VGC. When you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, find Startup Type and set it to Manual. If the service is not running, click on the Start button. After that, click Apply and then click OK to close the window. Now, close the Services window. That is it. Restart your computer to make sure all changes are applied. After the restart, launch Valorant and try running the game again. The out-of-video memory error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.